What's up, YouTube? Andrea's reaction here. We're reacting to nothing once again. Because, guys, I haven't posted videos for a long time ago. So, we're just going to look at the sea. Let me show you. What does it look like? This looks really cool. It's like this. Okay, a lot of people here, so I have to avoid them. Okay, never drop your phone down here. Look. Oh, it says, please keep the noisy level down to avoid blah, 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 blah. I don't know how to say anything. Oh, look at the sea. The sea. Oh, we still have a pretty flower over there, but why is there a trash can? There's a trash can. Trash can. Hello, trash can. Hello, little trash can. It even has people there. What is that? That is so scary. It says, please do not touch.
Mosquito killing.
Mosquito killer, my mommy said.
Mosquito killing machine.
Oh my god, let's get out of here now. Oh, who's screaming? I hear someone screaming. Why is so much people always screaming? Okay, we can't avoid people, so guys. Today we have a ball to play with, but we're just going to look at this first. Oh, avoid people. Okay, I just oh no, sorry, I can't avoid people. I actually can't let all of the people see my videos because I don't know why. And there's a beautiful flower over here. Yay, flowers! Let's go. Let's see if there's anything to explore. Oh, yeah. Wait, what is this? Wait, what is inside the mall? Wait, is this my favorite food? Let me see. Oh, Go Pizza, my favorite food. Okay, be careful. It's going to, whoa, it's gonna bounce. Okay, there. Look, we have this overall here. Let's go back at first. I can't just take video of people because this is my mommy said I cannot. So, oh, there's like Go Pizza on the Hill, coffee bar, stick art. What? How can you do stick art? That's so disgusting. Okay, let's see what else they are. Okay, why is there some guys? I have a question. Are you a big fan of LankyBox? Because this is a question. I really want to know who is the biggest fan of LankyBox. So subscribe on LankyBox. Just if you like them, then subscribe them. Whoa, there's a lot of bicycles around here. I don't know why there. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Look, there's like what is that? Like, it looks so pretty. There's like a silver one. You can put it inside here. There's even a brown one. So there's a lot of things like wait. I have something to show you. Don't carry it on your own. Share it. Wait, I don't even know how to say this. Share it if you feel alone. Share it if you feel alone. Oh, this is the phone number to call this guy. It's called 2896 0, 0, 0, 0. Why is there so much zeros? Okay, there's a lot of things over here. We have a ball. It's Toys R Us balls. So, ooh, oh my God, someone's standing up. Look, someone's standing up. Sorry. My mommy's saying Cantonese. Cantonese. Oh, my hand's on the way. Oh my God. No, my God, my God. Why is there so much people here? There's people. These shoes are really old already. Okay, let's get up. We don't have time to relax. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God, what is this? Okay. I don't even know how to say this. This is, oh, I don't even. Let's just bye-bye. No smoking. Oh, smoking is like, you're like, you like smoking when you're like smoking, then, whoa, whoa! Yeah, you have to watch out with that guy over there. He's just running. He's running. It looks really funny when he runs. Look, we're all the way here. Look at this giant mall. Look how tall is that up there? That's taller than that building. Look, whoa, there's even some birds up the top. Let me show you. I'm going closer for you guys to see. Look, they're flying. Look everywhere. This looks really cool, actually. You see? More birds. More. They're flying. Okay, where? Whoa, there's another one. It's flying up to the skies. Whoa, there's a lot of like birds or like pigeons or whatever. It's popcorn. You see? Whoa. What is that? Oh, yay! That's a lot of things. So we're exploring the whole town, actually. We're just going to start somewhere for you guys to see. Whoa, that looks like a DJ kind of thing, but that's not. Oh, what is this? A restaurant? Coffee. Coffee bar? Oh, that one. Let me show you guys here. Coffee bar. On the hill coffee bar. That one. Oh, get away, guys. Oh, get away. Someone's talking. Whoa, watch out. Whoa, there's a dog. What the? Why is there a dog over there? Oh my God, look here. It's so much grass. There's water. Did anyone pee over there?
No, just rain, I think.
Rain? Oh, it doesn't even sound like rain today. Last week. Oh, Kaya. Wait, let's take a closer look. Kaya. What does that even mean? Kaya. Kaya, ya. Kaya, ya. Kaya, ya. Oh, there's like some trees. But one of some leaves fell. Let me show you. It's all the way over there. Look. Oh my God. Some leaves fall down here too. Some of those too. Let me show you more birds. Is there any more birds? Oh, they all fly away. Wait, who's cheeping? Oh, cheeping. We've seen a lot of birds here before, so there might be some birds here. Let's go see. We're exploring. We're hunting for birds. We're hunting for birds up the sky and the floor. Let me find some here. Oh, that's a broken thing. What is that? Is that poo? Ew. That's disgusting. That's not poo at all, though. Oh. Look, whoa, there's so much people around here. There's a lot of people here running. And everything. Okay, let's go. Okay, hope no one takes my camera. A lot of people like to take my camera. Because they always want to play some games. And, well, someone's running, just like that guy earlier. So, guys, let's hunt for more birds. Let me see if there's more birds here. Oh, there's one bird! There's a giant bird! Over there! Uh-oh, it gone away. Oh, there! It's over there! It's flying! It's so fast! Oh, it flied away. No, it's still there! Wait, where is it going? It's so high! Look over there. Oh my god! It's so high up. Where's it flying to? Oh my god! It's over there. It's like a pigeon, but it's not. Let's check. Okay, I can't. Oh, I did zoom. Okay, I found it. But be careful not to drop it in the water. It says no climbing. Of course, you're gonna drop inside the water, bro. You have to find a floaty. And you're gonna sink. Oh my god. Do you guys wanna take a rest? Let's go. This is beautiful. Whoa, look at this. Dum dum dum. It looks like spaghetti. I love spaghetti. There's some gray parts. That does not look like spaghetti. Ooh. You know, on Friday on my Zoom class, I can make some it's like circle thingies. It's called Tangyan in Chinese. I don't know if anybody knows Chinese, so you better learn that. Because on P1 you're just on primary schools. Like you're gonna be like on dudes because you're gonna have an F grade. Yes. And earlier I said LankyBox. I'm going to see who the true fans of LankyBox. But he always have like bad grades, like F or like C or something. It's really bad. I don't know if there's E or something. Is there E or D? Oh, there is D. A grade. These are grades. There's A, B, C, D, E, F. There's F. I don't know if there's E. I don't know if there's E on the grade. I don't even say things really good. So I better learn that. Okay, that's the picture that we saw earlier. Whoa, those trees look really pretty, guys. Look. Let me show you. Like this. Zoom more. Oh, that was pretty, right? Hey, guys, there's no time for us doing that too much. Let's stand up first and explore the future. Wait, there's wait, what is that? Oh, guys, do you know what's AIA? AIA is like a really cool place or something. So, whoa, look, there's a boat. Let me zoom in closer for you guys to see. Wait, there's another pigeon. Let's find it. It's over there. Can you guys see it? Okay, let me move the camera. You see it, guys? Oh, I see a lot of birds cheeping. Let's go. Wait. Is it actually birds? Wait, what was that? Why is there so much cheeping? Why? Please tell me. Why? Please, why? Okay, let's see. Oh, there's one bird! Flying! It's flying! It's flying! It's flying everywhere. Oh, please, no dogs. Why is there no dogs out here? Dogs are so cute. So we're going to hunt for the last bird. And then we're gonna end this video. Okay, that's hunts for another bird. Where's the other bird? Well, wait. Did I just see some birds? Wait. Those are so much cheaper around here. What the? It's anywhere around there. No way. Whoa. Wait. There's not even a single bird. Oh, I found one! It's up the tree. I want to see. Look, I see it. Let me go here. Wait, do you guys see it? Oh, it ran away. We hunt for the last one, so bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and remember to subscribe LankyBox if you're the biggest fan. There's another bird. Sorry guys. This did not end. Oh, there's another bird. There's so much birds. Okay, so guys, let's end the video now. Bye. Make sure to subscribe LankyBox if you like them. Bye.